Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be working on my November dashboard and using this beautiful autumn themed kit from the Sweet Planner. And I'm showing you here that I picked up 2 of them, but honestly, since moving to my B6, I've been using less stickers and I think I only ended up using 1 of the kits, which is perfectly fine. I'll just save the next one for next year because I really love the florals in this kit and I just think they're so pretty. And I would definitely pull that into some other spread in the future. But I started off by just using a ruler and a pen to draw out the grid section at the top, which is where I'm going to keep track of the date I placed my order, the shop I ordered from, short description of what I ordered, and then I check off once it's shipped and then once it's arrived to me. And then I moved to the bottom and I'm starting to create this scene, and I put down some of the washi strips from the kit, and then I centered the little fashion doll that came on there, and I started building everything out around her. I wanted her to be sort of the center focal point, and then I took this foiled circle from Bloom Paper Studio and I'm just layering that underneath her and working out to the left side first. I started with that circle, then pulled in some of the pumpkins from the dashboard kit, and then moving to the other side, I have that large floral from Bloom Paper Studio and then some more pumpkins. And then I wanted to pull in some foil to the bottom section. So I'm taking this foil trim from Sadie Stickers and lining that right in between the thicker washi strip and the thinner washi strip. And because I had already centered the girl in the middle, I just ended up cutting that foiled washi strip in half and just sort of tucking it in on both sides of her and running it to the ends of the pages. Then pulling in this little flourish from Sadie Stickers on top of the pumpkins to add another touch of foil, and I really felt like it got a good balance of all the rich, beautiful color that was happening with the kit, and then the pop of gold foil that I brought into this section. And I'm just adding a few of the clusters from Sadie Stickers, which I'm addicted to those little clusters. I just think they add such a cute little touch to my spreads. And now moving into the top section, I'm going to start working on the order tracker, and I have custom scripts that I ordered from Panda Bird Design that say order tracker, and I'm just layering that with the cute little car from the kit. And then I placed down, these are the string light washies from Sadie Stickers, so I put that along the top. And I thought that looked so cute. And then I knew where I wanted to place that car, so I was just getting my placement down. Then I scooted that over for a second because I wanted to trim the top of that grid section that I'd created with some of the florals from the kit. And then I'm just pulling in some little foiled leaves to tuck behind those colorful florals, just to give that a pop of foil, because I always feel like my spreads look best when they have a balance of really pretty colorful florals along with the little bitty pops of foil. And so now I'm just pulling that car and the order tracker script back, and I just want to try to figure out how to place that. And then I realized I wanted a floral on the other side of the car as well. So I'm just going to tuck a little floral there, and I felt like that completed that section nicely. And then I'm just taking a few of the little dot clusters that are on that same little freebie from the Pretty Pink Co. and adding them to that top section as well. These acorns were from the journaling or the dashboard kit that I was using. And so I pulled those in just to finish decorating that order tracker script. When I sat down to work on this page, I originally thought I was going to put the large month script at the bottom where the fashion girl is, and I didn't do that. And then as I was finishing up my order tracker section, I realized, oh, I haven't put down my month script yet. And so I was like, oh, no problem. I'll just put it right at the bottom of the grid at the top of my weekly kit tracking section. So I put down the thin washi strip to trim the bottom of the grid section, layered some florals along with the cute little donut and apples that were included in the kit, and I'm just creating a little cluster with those. And then I'm also going to pull in these little dangling autumn themed stickers. I think one has like a pumpkin and the other has an acorn. So cute. And once I've got that down, I'm just going to work on pulling the boxes for the weekly kit tracking section. And because I had so much going on with all of the beautiful rich color, I wanted to keep the boxes really simple and use just white foiled boxes. And so you just have the beautiful gold there, really clean and simple. And I know I was going to pull in a lot of deco that had all of that beautiful rich color to decorate around them. And then also because I had the fashion doll kind of centered at the bottom of the spread, I knew I wanted to do something very symmetrical with the placement of my boxes for this week. If you've seen any of my previous dashboards, you know that I tend to play sort of like box shuffle around as I'm trying to figure out where I want to place those boxes each month. But this time I knew exactly how I wanted them placed because I wanted everything to be sort of centered and then just super symmetrical because I had centered that girl right at the bottom of the page. And so I really loved how that came together. It was really structured and I liked the style of that. And so then I just pulled in tons more of that clip art and the florals to decorate around those boxes. I love the dashboard kits from the Sweet Planner because they just give me so much to work with from all of the different images and clip art, and she scales things really nicely. Like her florals, you get large bunches, you get small bunches, and you get little individual pieces. It makes it really easy to plan with, and I just think that came together so cute. I also really love that basket of apples. Adorable. Then I pulled in a quote script from Paper Trail Plans, and it says strive for progress, not perfection. And I love having quotes on this page, and she makes some that are scaled down small enough that I can still include them on this page, which is really nice because then I can add that in and it's not overwhelming and doesn't make the page look too busy. Finishing up by adding some florals to the grid section at the top, which I like doing because until I write in that section, it ends up looking pretty empty. And that's it for this spread. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next video. Bye.